Dubai Khlaijakha Natural and Organic Products Exhibition 2025. A exhibition of Sogwikha Hasteni Hukbar Mantri Ratan Lal Nath. Pandao Tripura rich tradition of organic farming ni Koksakha Hukbar Mantri Ratan Lal Nath. Tripura Chini Manjakha hayungni joto borok ni buskango Hasteni Hukbar Mantri Ratan Lal Nath. Ashlo Khlaijakha ni Pandao Koksakha ni Thangwi Hasteni Hukbar Mantri Ratan Lal Nath. Tripura organic farming no di Khlaijakha. Aba haikinu jai tek Manjakha queen pineapple ni shimi chengai. Dalbedal berem ni queen pineapple Taipung fragrant Khlaijakha sate. Harinarayan rice, bird's eye chili, fragrant contrast lemon, white sesame tea, kon mantho wahni shaka. Aba haikinu a organic farming ni kok no khanawai. Europe, Japan, Korea tea, Southeast Asia ni buyer strong ni appreciate Khlaijakha. Aba haikinu hukbar khlaine rok ni kok no hayung ni buskango tishawi fonoka. Hasteni Hukbar Mantri Ratan Lal Nath.
I showing my respect to Dubai government as because not only Dubai government, people of Dubai, they organized this type of organic expo. So I love Dubai, I like Dubai, and I respect Dubai. Distinguished delegates, respected representatives from the global agricultural community, industry leaders, and esteemed guests. It is an honor and privilege to represent the state of Tripura from the northeastern region of India. It is now called Seven Sisters of the country. Now newly included Sikkim, also one of the state brother. Now Prime Minister of India called this is Lakshmi. So at this distinguished gathering, a global hub of trade, innovation and partnership, I stand before you today to share the inspiring story of Tripura Organic Vision, a journey of transformation that reflects India's commitment to sustainable agriculture, ecological balance, and global food sector. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Tripura has emerged as one of the most progressive organic farming states in the country. Today, we proudly have 26,400 hectares of land under certified organic farming, engaging over 26,800 dedicated farmers who have transitioned from conventional to sustainable cultivation practices. To empower these farmers and ensure strong value chains, 53 organic farmers producers companies, that is FCIs, FPCs, have been formed across the state. These FPCs serve as the bridge between our farms and the global marketplace, enabling aggregation, processing, branding, and direct marketing of certified organic produce. Our queen pineapple, a geographical identification, that is GI tagged fruit. I think it is world famous. I can tell you, and is our signature export product with the natural sweetness of 16 to 20 bricks. It is perfect for table and dessert consumption, while the another item is there, Q variety with 10 to 13 bricks, is ideal for processing, canning industries. Equally distinctive is our scented lemon, locally known as Gondaras. Just now, I have seen some stalls, lemon, but our Gondaras lemon is famous. Kindly you can see easily. It is locally known as Gondaras, available throughout the year. It is valued for its thick skin, intense aroma, and limonene content of 60 to 75%, giving it immense potential in the flavor, fragrance, and essential oil industries. Tripura also produces the aromatic paddy, Khlaijakha variety, famous for its natural aroma and grain quality. Alongside it, our sticky rice, that is locally called brown variety, and black rice, Maimi Hanga, have gained recognition for unique curated properties and health benefits. Notably, black rice is rich in antioxidants and has a low glycemic index, making it a superfood.
Abahikino Ashlo Dubai Bereni Thangwi Sorabo Mantri Ratan Lal Nath Lokyo Manjakha Tripura Organic Mission Director Rajiv Devarma. Bureau Report Chini Khorang.